You can see the sidebar menu on the left where you can select the different modules. Click on the arrow to expand the submenu. Click again to collapse the menu. To hide the menu, click on this button. Expand the menu by hovering your mouse over it. Click on the button again to expand the menu. To your right, you will see the dashboard. You can visit the modules from here by clicking on the module name. To arrange the widgets, toggle here to Yes. Drag to rearrange them. Toggle No to freeze the dashboard tiles. To access the second version of dashboard, click on the gear icon. Toggle and select Veer 2. Scroll to see the widgets. You can also customize them. Click on the gear icon, and select the widgets you want. They should appear on your dashboard. If you wish to rearrange the widgets, just toggle this and select Yes. Then drag the tiles. If you wish to remove widgets, just go back to the settings here and untick the boxes. You can also remove them by clicking on the cross button here. Here, you see a favorite link widget. You can use this as a shortcut to access modules. To delete a link, click on this cross. Then select Yes. To add a link, go to the module you wish to add from the sidebar menu. Click on this top right corner. Then choose Set as Favorite. Select a suitable icon and click Add. Quotation now appears in Favorite Link widget. To use advanced search in modules, click this drop-down button here. Fill in with relevant information and click Submit. Entries matching your criteria are shown here. This feature can be used in various modules, although the input fields may vary.